Hi guys, welcome back, or if you're new here, hi, I'm Natalie. Sundays are the day I use to get my life together before the week starts, and I thought I'll bring you along on my Sunday routine, from cleaning to planning to some self-care, and yeah, so let's get started on this video. Good morning. Ooh, bless you. Bless you. Milo. Are you still tired? Wanna go on a walk? Let's go. Yeah? Let's go. He hates his harness. We never found out why though. When I try to get it on, he runs away. Hi guys, so I just came back from walking Milo and I sweated a little, so I'm gonna wash my face and get started on my day. So after I get a little red, I don't know why, like when I touch my face, but for those who are curious, I use this cleanser, this lotion, moisturizer, and then I use this toner. So I do cleanser, toner, moisturizer. So this is Milo's meal. It has ground turkey, brown rice, blueberries, and this freeze dry meal topper. This is my breakfast, so it's bacon, egg, blueberries, and a passion fruit smoothie with chia seeds. Now that I'm done eating, I think it's time to tackle this room. I've been in the slumps and I have not been organizing or cleaning. And I think it's time for me to get out of my slump and start organizing and preparing for this upcoming week. So yeah, so right now I'm gonna make my bed, organize the plushies, throw away trash, organize my desk, clean the bathroom, and that's the plan for the cleaning aspect. So let's get into it.
Every minute slipping by, even when I close my eyes, ruthless I know. You might even wonder why I go MIA sometimes.
throw out the trash, but everything's more organized. And then I'm done cleaning the bathroom. It's nice and organized, nice and clean. And no more clothes behind the door. So, yeah. I finished cleaning my bathroom and now I'm gonna go cook food for Milo because he ran out of food this morning. So now I'm gonna go make some and I'm gonna bring you guys along. Currently making food for Milo, so it's gonna be ground turkey, zucchini, carrots, and then brown rice and chopped up spinach that I'm about to chop up.
Every minute slipping by, even when I close my eyes.
Hi guys, thank you for watching this video. And I hope it helped you guys be productive while I was cleaning and planning out my week. And yeah, if you're new here, leave a follow. And if not, leave a like. And comment down if you guys are productive or not. Have a good one. Bye.